These are the ovaries, which are female reproductive organs that produce gametes or eggs. These are the fallopian tubes. We discussed their function and the position. This is the vagina, which we discussed also earlier, and this is the external genitalia, or the vulva, or vulva, which consists of the mons pubis, labia majora, and labia minora. Now, these are the pelvic ligaments, which support the uterus, ovaries, and vagina. Now, these are the ovaries, which produce oocytes and secrete estrogen and progesterone, the female sex hormones. These are female gonads. We discussed earlier. Now, this is the ovary interior, the inside of the ovary. Oogenesis is a production of female sex cells. In male, it's called spermatogenesis. The ovaries produce secondary oocytes, the female sex cells. During fetal development, a stem cell called the oogonia go through mitosis. Some of these cells develop into 46 chromosome primary oocytes. At the onset of the female puberty, tens of thousands of primary oocytes each form part of a primordial follicle in the ovaries. Between the menarche and menopause, each primordial follicle develops into a mature follicle, and each primary oocyte completes meiosis. 1. The primary oocyte becomes secondary oocytes, 23 chromosomes that begin meiosis. 2. Then pause. Each month, one secondary oocyte is released into the uterine tube or the fallopian tube. Meiosis 2 is completed when the oocyte is fertilized. The resulting ovum can develop into a zygote. The cervix, the vestibule, the labia minora, the vestibule, the clit or the clitoris, the prepuce, and the labia majora. Now, this is a female reproductive cycle. Now, women of childbearing age go through a cycle of about every 28 days, and it makes it possible to become pregnant. A follicle in the ovary develops and releases a secondary oocyte at the same time that the lining of the uterus thickens to prepare for the possibility of a fertilized egg. The luteinizing hormone stimulates the follicle to release the oocyte. High levels of estrogen and progesterone during pregnancy stimulate the thickening of the uterine lining. These cycles begin at puberty and continue until menopause. During pregnancy, the cycles are suspended. Menopause is a stage when women, usually at the age of 40 plus, then they stop. This process stops of producing eggs. Now, the pituitary gland stimulates the ovaries to produce estrogen and progesterone, the main hormones responsible for female reproductive functions. Mammary glands containing lobules that secrete milk into ducts that terminate into the nipples. If fertilization takes place,